Ever felt like your credit score is this mysterious, untouchable number that dictates so much of your financial life? Like it's locked away in a vault and you don't even know the combination? You're not alone. So many people struggle with understanding and improving their credit scores, and that's why today we're tackling a question that's probably on your mind. Can Borrowell actually help you improve your credit score? Before we dive into Borrowell specifically, let's zoom out for a second and talk about why your credit score even matters. Think of it as your financial reputation. Lenders, landlords, even some employers use it to assess how reliable you are when it comes to managing money. A good credit score can unlock lower interest rates on loans and credit cards, making big purchases like a car or a house much more affordable. It can also make it easier to rent an apartment or even get a job. On the flip side, a poor credit score can lead to higher interest rates, difficulty getting approved for credit, and overall limit your financial opportunities. Now, what goes into this magical number? In Canada, your credit score is primarily based on 5 key factors: payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, types of credit used, and new credit. Payment history is the most important, showing how consistently you've made your payments on time. Even one missed payment can negatively impact your score. Credit utilization refers to the percentage of your available credit that you're using. Ideally, you want to keep this below 30%. Length of credit history looks at how long you've been using credit. A longer history generally indicates more stability. Types of credit used considers the mix of credit you have, such as credit cards, loans, and mortgages. And finally, new credit looks at how often you're applying for new credit. Applying for too much credit in a short period can be a red flag. So, where does Borrowell fit into all of this? Borrowell is a Canadian fintech company that offers free credit score monitoring, credit reports, and other financial tools. One of their most popular features is their free credit score and report updates. This means you can regularly check your credit score without negatively impacting it. This is crucial because frequently checking your score through other means, like applying for credit, can actually lower it. Now, here's the key question: does simply checking your credit score with Borrowell improve it? The short answer is no. Checking your credit score, whether through Borrowell or any other service, doesn't directly raise your score. Your score is based on your financial behavior, not on how often you look at it. Think of it like checking your weight. Simply stepping on the scale doesn't make you lose weight. You need to make changes to your diet and exercise habits to see results. However, Borrowell can be a valuable tool in helping you improve your credit score. How? By providing you with the information and insights you need to make informed decisions. First, by providing free credit score monitoring and reports, Borrowell allows you to track your progress over time. You can see how your score changes in response to your financial actions. This can be incredibly motivating and help you stay on track. Second, Borrowell provides personalized recommendations on how to improve your credit score. These recommendations are based on your individual credit profile and can include suggestions like paying down high-interest debt, keeping your credit utilization low, and diversifying your credit mix. These insights can be invaluable in identifying areas where you can improve and taking concrete steps to boost your score. Third, Borrowell offers other tools and resources that can be helpful. For example, they offer credit building tools like their Credit Builder program, which can help you establish or rebuild credit by reporting your on-time rent payments to credit bureaus. This can be especially helpful for newcomers to Canada or those with limited credit history. It's important to understand that Borrowell is a tool, not a magic bullet. It won't magically fix your credit score overnight. Improving your credit score takes time, discipline, and consistent effort. You need to actively implement the recommendations and make positive changes to your financial habits. For example, if Borrowell recommends lowering your credit utilization, you need to actively work on paying down your credit card balances. If it recommends making on-time payments, you need to ensure you're paying all your bills on time, every time. Borrowell provides the information and guidance, but you're the one who needs to take action. So, to recap, Borrowell itself doesn't directly improve your credit score. However, it empowers you to improve it by providing free credit score monitoring and reports, personalized recommendations, and other helpful tools and resources. It's like having a personal credit coach that gives you the insights and guidance you need to succeed. Think of it this way: Borrowell is like a GPS for your financial journey. It shows you where you are, where you need to go, and suggests the best route to get there. But you're the one who needs to drive the car. If you're serious about improving your credit score, using a tool like Borrowell can be a smart move. It can help you stay informed, track your progress, and make informed decisions about your financial future. It's a valuable resource that can empower you to take control of your credit and achieve your financial goals. But remember, it's a tool, and its effectiveness depends on how you use it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.